come to my channel, please don't forget, as usual, subscribe to my channel. One more, guys, the latest is that Peller, the TikToker, one more, this Baba Yosin is a private jet with the one and only Tiwa Savage, as Tiwa Savage takes Peller on a private jet tour. More, the excitement on Peller's face and not be small. First time in Peller's life, private jet with the one and only Tiwa Savage. Guys, let's take a look at this video. Or more, if you were Peller, how will you react? Well, I go react past it, I got to react to. Don't forget, guys, subscribe to my channel, please.
Tiwa Savage, you don't make my dream come true. Yes, I have and it shall be given. Private jets. Maybe we're in the sky. Hello?
Are you cold?
I'm cold.
Really?
I swear to God. I don't be bothering me this year. Okay, then open the window down. Oh my God. Hey, come be like say I deaf. Is it only me?
Yeah.
It's only me. That I be like say I deaf. The cold that better my ear, no ear. Jamal is the definition of black is beautiful. Hey! I swear to God, I just look at this fine, that's beautiful. Oh my God. Thank you. It was the IP.